Hello, I'm going to take you through Axiom's error handling and how to deal with these. Now, during the course of execution, like executing a sequence of steps, Axiom may encounter an error. This can occur for a variety of reasons. The page structure might change, or form inputs may load differently depending on particular contexts. Now, by default, Axiom will stop its execution if it encounters an error. This could be because you'd only want to enter data if all settings are absolutely correct as you expect. But it may be the case that you would like Axiom to carry on executing if it does encounter an error. Perhaps that individual step isn't that important in the grand scheme of your automation. In this case, within our settings page, we have a continue on error option. Axiom will carry on executing and it will report a success even if it does encounter a problem. Now, you may want to be notified if you have a problem in your automation. In this case, we have a notification system for this. So you can be notified if a run fails, if there's warnings, or even if there's a success. In any case, you can be notified by email or by webhook. So this should cover some of the basics of errors, but perhaps the most important construct when handling errors is something called the try-catch construct. This may be familiar to you if you've done any kind of programming before. But this is a good way to handle multiple scenarios. So what this does in essence is we'll try to execute one sequence of operations, and if it fails, it will then try to execute another. This could cover an example where perhaps one element may load or another may be present, in which case you could try clicking on one element, and if that fails, clicking on another. It's actually a very powerful construct, and using this and nesting other steps, you can cover a lot of different scenarios with Axiom.